Guys, my name is Dami. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I have an unboxing video. For Valentine's Day, I bought myself a new bag. I have a couple of bags, but I don't know, for some reason I was attracted to this bag and I was really curious to see what it looks like in person. So let's go ahead and unbox the bag and let me know what you think about the bag. Let me know if you love it. Let me know if you like it. I've read a few concerns and opinions about this bag, so I really don't know how I feel, but let's get into it, shall we? Box. It's tiny. So, I don't know how I feel. So here is the dust bag. It says Louis Vuitton. Open it up, and it's the Alma Mini in the red color. Ooh, look at that, guys. What do you think? Huh? Well, definitely this is not a brand new bag because I see some fingerprints. I don't know what that is, but oh well. It is so tiny and so cute. Oh, man. Okay. How is it all tangled up? All tangled up. So cute. So cute. I think probably someone returned this bag, but it's okay. It's okay. Alma Mini. Okay, yeah. And there's a pocket. Okay, let me bring you guys closer so you can see. But this is the bag. It's a Louis Vuitton bag, the Alma Mini. Alma Mini. And it has gold hardware. This is what it looks like inside. It's red inside. Oh, it's cute though, I love it. It is cute. Oh. Oh. What do you guys think? It's not bad. Let me try crossbody. Not bad. Small, cute, petite. Oh.